Your MRC helmet comes with multiple pad sets to create a tunable fit to adjust the size and fitment of your helmet. To go up or down in size and fit, you simply need to swap out the pads inside the helmet. To do this, we've included multiple sizing pads with each helmet. Extra small, small, and medium pads are all included in one box. Going bigger, large, extra large, and double extra large are all included in another box. And the last option includes both 3X and 4X in one box. Once you have a sense of what size you want to change to, it's time to remove the pads from inside your helmet. Remember that new sizing pads will pack out just a bit over time. A proper fitting helmet should fit snugly on your head and face without pressure spots or discomfort. The pad sizes are indicated here and here. Note that the smaller sizes are actually thicker. Okay, let's get started. The cheek pads will need to be removed first in order to gain access to remaining pads. They are each held in place by 3 snaps. Remove them by carefully unsnapping all 3, one by one. Be sure to gently pull on each pad at the snap. Do not try and tear the cheek pad away from the helmet all at once. Repeat these steps for the other side. Once your cheek pads are removed, you'll be able to remove the top liner. Start by unsnapping the rear snaps one by one. Push the liner up into the helmet as shown. Then, on each side of the helmet, gently pull out the temple tabs as shown. Then gently pull all 3 clips away from the shell, one at a time. Now that you've removed the old pads, set them aside to avoid installation confusion with your new pads. Start with the top liner by installing the temple tabs on each side of the helmet as shown here. Now secure the liner as shown under the 3 manifold clips. Next, secure the rear of the liner. Align the male and female ends of the snaps and press firmly until you feel the snaps engaging fully. With the top liner in, we can move on to the cheek pads. Always start with the cheek pad properly aligned to the snap locations before sliding the blade between the shell and the cheek pad foam. This sometimes takes a little finesse and you may need to ensure the blade clears the chin strap anchor. Here, we opted to use a Zeus fastener wrench to help guide the cheek pad in position. This or a similar non-destructive tool may help in your installation. You may or may not need this. Next, align the male snaps with the female side on the cheek pad and firmly press until they snap into place. Repeat these steps for the other side. Again, ensure your cheek pad is properly aligned and the plastic blade is inserted between the shell and EPS foam as shown. Now you can try your helmet on for size. As we mentioned before, the pads will pack out just a bit over time. The helmet should fit snugly on your head and face, but without any pressure spots or discomfort. Got questions? As always, Rugged Radios stands by to help with any questions you have. Thanks for choosing Rugged Radios and MRC.